Zoom, huh? What's going on, peeps? Elmo first. What's going on, Elmo? Keith? Ruben, good morning. GameStop. We're looking at AMC right now at 36. I feel like I haven't looked at AMC in a while. I've been losing a lot of interest in AMC, guys, to be honest. And this is comes from somebody who is not holding anything. Like, look at this. There's 0 shares right there. I feel bad for people in this right now. Like, it's not moving. You know? It's October, man. It's already mid-October. No, 20 seconds stream today. We're actually probably gonna for like 30 minutes. S&P. I don't think the pain's done just yet either. Robert and I were having a discussion yesterday. He's also thinking that we're in for more pain. And if you guys have been watching the markets, it's been really epic. Like you've been having like the craziest intraday swings ever. GameStop actually pushing up here, 174. Sorry for the no light. I can't fix this light, this stupid ring light. Don't get them off Amazon. Literally, the cord is so cheap, it's gonna rip on you. I can't. It's not working. When will Tesla rest over 800? I don't know, but I really don't care, cause I'm not really a swing trader on it. Good morning, Pam. You guys hear what Southwest did? Their stock's down today too. I believe to $50, 55 or something like that. 51. GameStop's actually moving today. 175 in the green territory. Let's see if we can sustain there. All right, looks like Tesla wants to go green here. I have my alerts set on Nasdaq. Nasdaq's ripping, but one pattern I saw, like these last 2 weeks was the early rip on Nasdaq, and then in the next like 20 minutes or so, you have a massive pullback. So I found that to be really interesting. More pain, I agree too, Ruben. Let's go to Twitter to see what's on here. It looks like Robinhood's down. GameStop new high 176. This one faked this out like 2 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm glad I took profits on this one. Oh, got my Nasdaq at or above alert. Looks like we're still ripping. Apple looking good. Netflix was a monster. You guys watched the Squid Game crap thing? Sava at or below. All right, we're having a nice little rip here on Tesla. Don't really care. I want to catch this one on the dip. GameStop new high 176.50. Sava 48. Zoom's another one I'm waiting for it to bottom out at 250. It looks like Alibaba's chart right here. Take a look. This one actually bounced off 138. We'll see if this one could. We'll see if Baba could sustain itself. Look at these gap ups it's been having. Look at the 5 minute. That's nuts. Cohen tweeted. I saw that one yesterday. It was a Florida one, no? Oh, there's an NFT conference in Florida. Morning, Kyoto. Go back to that tweet. Yeah, GameStop's moving 176.99. 177. Yup. He put Florida. there's nowhere on this thread of replies that says he's at a conference though. Maybe on Reddit. He's not wearing a mask. Let's see. Still pushing for Tesla. Heat map check. I think this week we're gonna have some clear sign of direction. I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I don't see any direction yet. We've been hitting the lows, ripping back up, pulling back down, hitting new highs, and it's just choppiness, nothing but choppiness on the SPY. And usually the overall market direction, SPY, Nasdaq, I base my trades off of that. What alert was that? A firm, right? This one's another monster, guys. A firm. This one was going to 150. Look at this. Earnings season too. It's upon us too. Earnings. What's going on? Stacks a lot. Got that mood light. I can't fix this ring light, man. And that's actually really good because my eyes. I got these lights on the bottom, but I don't think I can see them. Firm again. What was that AMC? Looks like some peeps are taking profits here, huh? GameStop 176 pulling back. AMC hitting you low, 36.42. Let's go to Ortex, by the way. Ortex. Because I've been seeing screenshots of people saying that AMC has a new all-time high SI around 21, 22%. Let's see. It's the Halloween spirit. What sucks is that these holidays don't feel like they used to. I know that might sound weird, but when I was like 15, 16, 17, you'd actually be excited for like Halloween, right? Or like Christmas or Thanksgiving. And now I lost that feeling, that sense, you know? It's all nostalgia now. It might just be me. AMCSI, according to Ortex, is 20.49%. Take a look. You guys want to look at GameStop? We'll do that right now. Morning Monster Buddy. We're looking at, let's go, where is it at? 14.62%. Wait until you're 36. You just count down the days until you die. That's not good. Oh man. Usually when I see Tesla rip like this guy's at open, it's like I'm done, you know? Like that's the day for me. I'm not gonna trade today. Because usually I like when it dips and I catch the bottoms. Last week was amazing. Look at this. Friday was good. Wednesday we were hitting 765. Tuesday we had this nasty drop from 797 to 774 in a matter of a couple of hours. Like usually when I see these type of reps at open, I'm like, yeah, it's showing strength, but to wait here, sitting down for an actual pullback, it's just like you don't know when that's gonna happen. Sometimes it's just best to walk away. No need GMI aside, it's over 9,000. I have a hard time believing that. Let's see. Let's set an alert here to see if it hits a new high. Any more tweets from Adam Aaron? Who here bought Shiba? There has to be some. Phoenix probably bought Shiba. Must be a Halloween trick. All my stocks are up pre-market. Let's see. Looks like Shiba's still up 12%. Bought $42. Well, Nasdaq, another alert. Looks like we're still pushing. Yeah, Tesla's following Nasdaq closely today. Apple, Facebook still looking choppy after all that drama they had. Those outages last week. I bought SHIB at 1200, sold it at 800 for an L, and then last week it was at 3. I think you brought that up on Friday, right? It was up 3,000, or in the Discord chat. I'm sorry. A new tweet 32 seconds ago. Bitcoin just crossed 57,000. The bulls are in control. Let's see. Let's verify that. Bitcoin 57.23. Is Michael Burry still like? I know because Burry said Bitcoin was gonna drop. Let's see. Has he corrected himself? Has he been like, you know what? I think it's gonna go up now. I don't know what it is. I think I've just been reading too many books on bubbles that I think that Bitcoin's not gonna end well. Am I the only one that thinks that? Yeah, Friday was a 20-second stream. I wonder if Marantz is going live today. What's going on, Marantz? He's here in the chat, right? Yeah. I thought people said to stop breaking out. Right when I got that Ryan Cole notification for the tweet, the first thing I saw was that, or the first thing I thought was that I'm gonna see 1,000 posts of this tweet on Reddit with everybody coming up with their own conspiracy. And I just stopped. I just started scrolling on Twitter. I didn't really care about the tweet because I was like, someone's gonna explain it later. Because I really don't know what to make of that tweet. Maybe he's trying to get you to see like the video games in the back. Because I also heard Grand Theft Auto 6 is coming out, right? The last time it came out with when I was like a sophomore in high school, I remember that. People were taking like the GTA map to school and flexing it. That does look like is that I must be like blind or something. This is not GTA, right? This doesn't look like it. Or maybe like they're not hiring. This is a poster that says Among Us. I don't know. 7 games, 4 joysticks, and 1 console. 7 for 1. Far Cry 6. That's what it is. It's the shorts, my guy. Short shorts. It's like Adam Aaron, no pants. Oh man. Let's actually go to Reddit. Let's see. What would it be under? GameStop or Superstonk? Oh my god, the first thing I see. NFT announced in 2 days. And there's like this crazy. So there apparently is like this NFT guy for GameStop, Jordan Holberg. Conference, Florida, Monday, October 11, which is today. 12 to 14 NFT Con. Hmm. There was actually a post on Seeking Alpha this morning. I got my alert on the phone that said that it's time to buy GameStop, which is pretty interesting. I thought it was pretty interesting. Usually I never get any notifications from Seeking Alpha regarding GameStop. All right, is this the pullback now? See. So that is apparently his NFT guy, right? Evil Jordan on Twitter. Let's follow this guy. Southwest Airlines is still trending. 12 hours ago, he tweeted this, buckle up. Hey, the Cowboys won, right? What's their streak right now? 4 games? 3? Because I know they only lost that first one, the one we had the bet on, the whole day live stream. Yeah, Kyoto, that's his guy, Jordan. 4-1. GameStop 176. Let's go see these other stocks. Affirm, pulling back. Baba, still in the green. There's not a lot of like crazy runners, you know? I think I might just be not scanning them right. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. Trending love, Southwest. We know that, baby. What a weird chart. Too choppy. What else is on here? SoFi, Uncle Bruce. This one's moving. Clover. Long time no see, my friend. Clover, $8. Yeah, there was like 20, there was like five, a good handful of meme stocks. BBIG, right? This one was another one. CEI, this one died down bad. CEI was another one. The Zach Morris pump, this one. Look at that rug pull here. Oh man. Clover has Clover has been being pumped all weekend on Wall Street bets. It's just a cycle of pumping up on there. I agree. I mean, look at 99% of how these stocks finished. I knew it. It's just too risky to trade those stocks. If you're not in it from a low price, then it's just in my eyes, I don't find it a viable play. I don't consider it anymore. They don't attract my attention anymore. They're fun and they're exciting, but knowing how they're gonna end up is just ugh. There we go, heat map check. But like if you have an audience on YouTube and you see like the flow is relatively small and they have a lot of volume, they're gonna be pumping those stocks. So just keep that in mind. Exclusive Columbia Coffee Federation says surging coffee prices have caused widespread delivery defaults. Entire coffee buying chain is losing money. You think it, oh yeah, but you think everything is a low price stock because it ain't Tesla. Tesla's Tesla. That and then keep in mind that we're looking for another split on Tesla. They had the what in August? 4-1 split, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was a 4-1 split. I have a video of DD that was just sent to me. I want everybody to watch and give me feedback. Posting it on Discord. Wait, what Discord? Yours, right? I don't see anything. Who said Tesla's going to 150? Robert Brown? I saw it on CNBC. 798. Looks like we're going back to 800. What's going on, Rich Jacob? I'm feeling good. I posted it in your GME channel. Let's see. Froggy Styles, eh? Oh my gosh, this is the 32-minute video, Marantz. I don't think we could watch it right now. Wait, let's go to the comments. This should have way more eyes on it. Mm, great stuff. Awesome work. Damn.
So in this video, I'm going to discuss a bunch of details that I spy. I was waiting for. I don't want that. Matter might not.
He's charting AMC too, huh? GameStop looks like we're coming back for a new high as we speak. 177.71. Triple sevens, baby. Two. Look at these orders coming here slowly. Dun dun. Up new high 178.24. Tesla's still looking strong. This freaking stock. We'll give it to Nasdaq though. We're having a nice little rebound this morning. But like I said, man, last week we saw the same thing, and then bloop, down futures came. AMC ripping back up 36. I feel like it's a quiet morning for some reason. I guess it's too quiet, you know? Mm, Italians, Columbus Day. I'm surprised I haven't gotten blown up by Mr. Adam Aaron. He usually tweets before the market opens to pump AMC stock. Let's see, he hasn't tweeted in a couple days. Something must be brewing. Has he sold his shares yet? Let's go see. It should probably be on Fintel. Fintel was really good with all that. Um, AMC. No, not yet. Well, the filing hasn't came out yet. GameStop coming up the highs of 178 to 177 in the green territory, while AMC is just sitting 1.5 in the red territory. We're not even down a lot on AMC. Not that much. I'll definitely watch that video later too. I'll probably put it on 2x speed just to get done with it. 15. Alrighty, we're pulling back off the highs of 799, rejection at 800. And one thing I've also noticed on Tesla is we've been kind of just stuck in this range. These dotted lines that I've been having here. After this push here from 750 back, what is this, like September 20? We've just been around this range. The highs being around 800 and the lows being 760s. Do you watch movies at at 2x if they are long ones? No. It's just YouTube videos for the most part. I haven't really been watching movies either. I kind of want to go to AMC. I've been telling myself like I want to go to the movies. But boy, are the movies so ass right now. I just can't. Like I even heard, let me see, AMC movies. Movies, playing movies, whatever. Let me see. Ask AMC to put the film on 2x speed because you need to go and trade stocks. Imagine just trading stocks on that on the big screen. I heard even the Venom movie was garbage. Eternals, 2 hours and 37. The Bond movie. I don't know. I haven't even seen it. I don't even think I've seen the first one, to be honest. I probably have, but I don't even remember. Candyman. It's just whack movies out right now. I watched the Sopranos movie last night at home. I fell asleep. Tessa Trapped. 1950s. Oh yeah, I probably have honestly. I started watching Squid Game last night. I thought Squid Game was a movie. It turns out it's a show on Netflix. I don't have Netflix, so I wouldn't know. But then I saw a lot of memes about Squid Game. I'm like, what is this? Like what? Like the green and the pink. I thought it was a movie, and then I went on YouTube and I looked up this one YouTuber who does reviews of the, I guess in this case the episode in like 20 minutes, and then I just put it on 2x speed, so I finished the video really quick. But I thought it was a movie. Oh man, I'm so out of date with all this stuff. I'm telling you, I'd just rather read a book, man. I watched that first season. It really is good. What is it like? They're playing games, like death games for like $1 million or something like that. I can't watch it busy gaming. See, everybody just does their own thing, you know. But it's popular though. A lot of people are talking about it. AMC back down 36.50. A lot of those types of shows happen here in Japan. Yeah, they had it wasn't in English too. So a lot of people were kind of complaining, "Oh, I had to put the captions or subtitles, whatever." But yeah, the YouTuber guy who I saw. He does a lot of reviews. Good. He's very well spoken too on these movies you're saying, like these animes, these like death games. What's going on, Poker? Hey, go wake up Robert Brown. Where is Robert Brown? He's not in here, right? Go knock on his window. Mm. Yeah, looks like we're inverted today, huh? GameStop hitting new highs and AMC's just kind of flat in the red territory. I mean, let's take a look at the daily. Look at the volume, guys. He's right here. Rob's right here. Are you trying to get him shot? I don't have Netflix either. Not worth it. What's it like, 15 bucks? Amazon Prime is better. Don't use Netflix enough, and with Prime you at least get free shipping. A $38 million prize at the end. Yeah, the Squid Game guy wrote that story 10 years ago. That's what I read too. I saw this post that said that every year he kept pitching the script whatever to Netflix and they declined him. Moral of the story, never give up, baby. Be persistent. And like how much of a hit it was. I even read that the actors or whatever on for their show were gaining like massive amount of followers on Instagram. Like they were growing tremendously. I think that one chick, I don't know if she's the main character. It's like Liu Young or something like that. Ah, I'm getting it so wrong. CU Young or something like that. She got like 15 million followers in like 3 weeks. 15 million. That's insane. We're still looking at the highs here on GameStop, 178. GameStop is following Tesla. That's my new theory. Look at this. Spy in the green. Oh, Rob had spy calls too. We were talking about this yesterday. Computer is no longer seen. Computer no longer seeing my speakers. How do we route them through the monitor output? Irritating. You gotta get a headset. I'm just waiting for all the GME Citadel Squid Game memes to start. Maybe. Cool. Means Ralph will be Mac core status in 10 years. I'll be here when it happens. What do you mean? You respond on Discord. Go back to Twitter. Oh, they'll never give up. Well, I don't get the Mac cores reference. Bullish pennant on Mara? Really? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Nasdaq is still ripping. There comes Tesla again. Round two. Those spy calls got to get to like 455. Oh man, good luck with that. I'm counting them as gone. What was it, Mar, right? Yeah, this is the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin rip is influencing Mar definitely. Moderna is another one I was watching. This one got wrecked, bro. This one was one of my hot stocks. Moderna was a leader, like Chipotle was, and both of them came down hard under the DMA. Look at that, under the DMA. Costco as well. This one's kind of teetering there. AMC is just so boring, man. It's not like the good old days. The rockets, the emojis, the hype. Diamond handles cause Rob. There we go, Morantz. Teaching my son how to drive this morning. What do you mean? I already know how to drive. Mm, 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 mm. GameStop 178 still. What's the volume on this bad boy? The pre-mark is just nuts. There's no volume on there. Come on, AMC. Or yeah, let's take a look at the volume on AMC. 5.6. 799.55 new high on Tesla. So we won 800. Do we hold above 800 though? That's the problem. I hope Marantz is teaching him. It's like he's gonna be like one of those kids who takes the driving test in like a freaking exotic car. Go on YouTube. There's videos out there like that. I think there's one in the Bugatti. That's crazy. Let's pull up the times and sales. Oh, guys, check this out. I had this crazy story. I thought it was really fascinating. So you guys know how the applications for CSU started like earlier this month, October 1st. So I applied to the colleges, right? And apparently there was like this Discord chat for Fullerton where I'm actually trying to go. And I joined the Discord, right? And this dude's like, two people on there noticed the my little profile picture, and they're like, "Wait, aren't you that AMC guy?" And I was like, "Damn, that isn't that crazy?" And they were just asking me like, "Oh, when's the MOAS?" I'm like, "Bro, I don't think there is a MOAS. I think it already happened." And they're like, "You shill." And then they're talking about the vaccine, right? And then I put my own thoughts in there, and then I got kicked, bro. I got banned off that Discord. I'm glad I got into the business Discord because they had a business division Discord on there, but I got kicked off the general one because I gave my own opinion on the vaccine. Soft people in there, man. That pissed me off, and it makes me not want to go there anymore. CSF Titans, there we go, baby. I was actually talking, I think, to one of the president. I don't think no, he knew the president of like the econ club or like this business club they have there, and he said the school actually has a $2 to $3 million portfolio. I was like, is that paper money or is that legit money? He's like, no, that's real money that they trade. He's like, and the students manage that portfolio. I'm like, put me on there, baby. YOLO calls. They ban you for being a paper hand. No, they banned me because of the vaccine talks. I was like, yo, you guys can't force people to get the vaccine. The vaccine, you know. I told them I'm vaccinated, but I'm not gonna go out there being like everybody should take it, mandatory. Like let people do their own thing, you know. Like you can't force people, and they got kicked. They're soft. It pissed me off, bro. Like it really pissed me off. It's like they kicked me from there, you know. I went there 2000. Oh, nice. See, it's a sign. Yeah, that was funny though. He's like, I never thought I'd see you in a CSUF Discord. Get on the panel and make sure that you owe all their money into Doge. I'm gonna kick you from your own YouTube for even talking about vaccines. You don't have to do that, Rob. You know why? Because YouTube themselves would kick me. I'm telling you, there's people out there on YouTube making videos talking about conspiracies and whatnot, and YouTube bans them. I swear they do. You can't go anywhere talking about vaccines now without getting kicked. All right, Tesla's above. Oh, not anymore. Couple cents away from being back above 800. Do we close above 800? Yeah, look at Pam. I agree. Look what happened. Look what's happening with the whole Southwest thing, the airlines. Look at the blood here. 1,800 flights. I thought it was 1,000 flights. I guess there was like an increase in 800, or I might just be losing. No, 1,000 flights by Sunday on Sunday. This is the stock channel. Time to fly, fucking Spirit, huh? Earthquake update. Oh, those. I'm like the best earthquake update person ever. There was a 6.1 earthquake in Hawaii yesterday. I'm not sure if Phoenix is trolling me. Alaska 6.8. I'm telling you, I'm waiting for the Cali one. Let's go see if you're trolling me. Alaska. I see no earthquake update here in Alaska. Joe Rogan, what? Joe Rogan. Oh, Joe Rogan has been talking about what YouTube has been doing a lot lately. Oh, YouTube is. See, I don't even feel like talking about YouTube because I feel like they have some algorithm and they just. I'm gonna trigger it and they're gonna come and they're gonna just. I don't know what they're gonna do. I would just not talk about it. It was on the news, really. Twitter is the news for me, honestly. Twitter is can be the best news source. Some big ass solar flares are supposed to affect the Earth today. I didn't hear about that. Yeah, that kind of gave me like those 2012 vibes. You guys remember like December 21, 2012, oh, the world's gonna end. I actually believed it. I remember I was barely gonna be a freshman in high school. Going from middle school into high school, I thought, man, I'm never gonna get to experience high school because we're gonna die. December. I was really sold on the idea that we're gonna die. I was like, it's over. Like I'm not gonna live high school. And then I remember it being December 21, and then the world hasn't ended, right? And we were like, maybe they were off a couple days, right? The Mayan calendar, they were off a couple days, so maybe the world should be ending next week. And here we are today, 9 years later. That's interesting, though. I did not hear about that. Solar flares, massive earthquakes would be pretty bullish for the markets. Oh, this was 16 hours ago. Phoenix. Don't jinx it, Shelf. They'll be doing all of us a favor, man. So like the Mayans also break the GME squeeze. Maybe. I wouldn't be surprised to see some DD on that, to be honest. GameStop 177 AMC's finally waking up, going into the green territory. 36.97. Hmm. This is Zoom stock. It's following tech today, huh? Nasdaq still ripping. Oh boy. Let's take a look at Shiba. SHIB. GameStop coming for a new high here. Look at this wall here at 800. It's a resistance level for sure. A GameStop new high. Beautiful. There's definitely some resistance here at 800 for Tesla. Tesla. Shiba up 14%. Look at this pullback. Bring it down, baby. Bring it down to 794. I'll be waiting. GameStop new high. Is AMC following GameStop right now? It sure is. It went back into the green. 180. $2,000 flights now for Southwest. I have so many alerts here on GameStop. It's not funny. Look at this. Look how many alerts I have. Just so I know where the price is at. So when I'm out and about and I don't know. Because usually when it triggers an alert, I love for it to just like have that alert stay there. You get me? But it erases. I don't know how to. I don't know if that's an option on Thinkorswim. Because it's annoying having to replace the alerts every single time. Shiba pumping? Yeah, we were up like 15%. 181 on GameStop. This is the coin pump, baby. Tesla's still at freaking 798. AMC pushing, still back in the green. New high for GameStop, 181.60. I have the wackest chart on Shiba right now. It's the Yahoo Finance with the lines, not even the candles. Let's go to Coin Market Cap and see if it gives me a bet. Oh, it's still the lines. Um, no option to change it. Oh yeah, I forgot you could trade Coinbase on. I mean Shiba on Coinbase. What's his name, Marantz? He's nervous as trying not to crash my truck. I think you're making him more nervous, Marantz. These Shiba graphs. Oh man, I can't find any good Shiba graphs. Troy, you're doing good, buddy. Don't crash the truck. All cryptos triple in value and come right back down when they hit Coinbase, except Doge. Doge did nothing. The TMI, baby. I'm gonna have a stream one day like TMI. I'm gonna just put out what is it, like a PDF file of me, a cardboard cutout right here. I'm gonna leave the charts running up all day. Wait, man, so you guys have like a lot of open space out there, right? Was that Coachella Valley? You should be good. Troy should be good. Green candle on Shiba and GameStop, same 1 minute. I can't. Where are you looking at these candlesticks, Kyoto? There we go. I finally found it. CoinGecko. Oh, I'm pretty sure you can get on Webull, right? I see a lot of people trading crypto on Webull. What do we have? 5 minute EMA on Tesla? Not really. 795. Wonderful. GameStop 181. I'm sorry, 182. All right, let's give you one little last update on AMC short interest on Ortex. The best, most reliable SI data software out there. Ortex, baby. 20.49%. One last Twitter scroll. See any news on here? No, I feel like it's a quiet morning. Like stonks are ripping, but I don't know. Yeah, but Canadians drive terrible. Do they really? I wouldn't know, because I'm not Canadian. Alrighty. 60. It's getting pretty cold out here, huh? If a student wrecks, it is the instructor's fault. Piss poor teaching. I used to be a car instructor. Haha. I remember those days. Square wheels. I remember when I was first learning to drive. GameStop new high, by the way, 182.70. Um, I remember, yeah, it was like a month after. I didn't have my license, by the way. I did not have my license, and I thought, you know what, let's go to like Hollywood or something. And I remember going with my friends, and these streets here in Hollywood are just the driving experience here is horrible. Like there's cars parked on the side, there's tight spaces, people honking at you, and I remember driving, right? And there was this massive bus on the right hand side blocking like my lane. And to my left, there was just cars, so I couldn't turn. And in my head, I'm like, I can't stop. I'm just gonna keep on going. And I scraped the whole bus on the with the mirror. I just scraped the whole bus. And I kept on going. And that was probably like my only wreck. And then my only wreck at the time. My only wreck at the time without, no license. And I remember like 2018 had this nice, pretty Corvette Grand Sport, right? Red, nice. And it was like 1 in the morning, and my friend had just bought an i8. So I went to Burbank. I went there, I saw the i8, cool. And I was leaving back home, and it was raining. And then as soon as I started getting on the ramp to get on the highway, the car, like, it hydroplaned for like a second. So I lost control for a second, then it gripped back up, and I was like, whoa. So I was driving really slow, and I got to this straightaway on the highway. It was 1 in the morning, not a lot of cars around me. I was going really slow, and I felt that I was losing control. And before I knew it, the car was hydroplaning. I was literally gliding on the highway. I lost control. I spun out like 180 degrees, and I smacked the back of a wall. No cars around me, or else it would have been a disaster. And then, literally, like 20 seconds later, a cop he passed by. And then he slows down, and then he just starts reversing. He's like, "You all right, man?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm good." It wasn't that bad though, because I hit the back. I hit the right back of the car, so I think it only broke like an axle. Hit a bus, I'm done. I scraped the whole entire bus, the whole thing. Oh man. And I was like, man, I'm such a bad driver. I should have just stopped. So you just admit to a hit and run? Spy at or above, alert. 440. 440, man. Since then, I've been an amazing driver. I know every little pothole. I know the streets of LA. Like I know what lanes, what driveway streets to avoid because there's a dent, there's a pothole. Oh my God, the potholes here are insane. I'm literally telling you. I don't know where the tax money is going. They're disgusting out here. Do we really trust this guy with Lambos and Ferraris? Oh, I'm an amazing driver. I'm an amazing driver, to be honest. Like that was my only like the Corvette situation and the scratch on the bus. That was it. But that was like I was like 16 or 17 at the time. Since then, I've just been an amazing. Like being in LA is just like you have to be defensive. You have to be awake. You can't be on your phone. You know, like oh, you shouldn't be even driving with your phone. But psh, everywhere I stop at a red light, I look and they're always on their phone, driving on their phone, on the call, whatever. It's just like it's insane. You have to be really defensive out here, and people are assholes. I'll go live this week. I'm talking crashes. I want to hear your stories, rants. GameStop new high 185. Let's see if this stock doesn't crash here. Morning, John. It has been a minute. Looks like we're at 5 EMA for Tesla. A couple bucks away. That's right, Kyoto 185.98. My offer for allowing you to move to Texas. We already have bad enough drivers in Texas. They act like rain is sleet and black ice. Not really. I mean, when I was there, I didn't really see any like bad drivers. I just have to live there to see. Or I guess I have to drive myself, right? 187, up 8% today. Look at that volume coming right now. That timing is interesting. It didn't rain while you were here? Absolutely not. Yeah, you're right. Hello, MG. I'm doing good on yourself. Apple's at or above. Yep, looks like the futures are still pushing. No rug pull yet, huh? AMC 3750. That would be the only thing I'd be watching out for, guys. Like a like a random sell-off like we saw the last 2 weeks. Or we saw that consistently, by the way. So I don't know. I'm not convinced though, man. Like, yeah, we're moving. We're green, but eh, I don't know. Texas has the worst drivers, lived there for 15 years. No, I believe Rob. Yeah, I believe you guys. I'm a combat driver's badges. I got this. I think that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna end the stream here. We're gonna end it here, baby. That's the only thing I'd be watching out for this week. Sentiment, direction, support levels, and just trade based off of that. GameStop is in test 195. From the looks of it right now, man, it looks like we're headed there. AMC is just the one that's kind of slow in the back. Well, not anymore. I spoke too soon. Usually is AMC the one that's leading. Alright, guys, I will see you guys Friday or next week. But I'm going to be in the Discord for sure, definitely. And we'll see where this week takes us. And we're going to wait for Morance's live. If he goes live today. I'm dying to hear those stories, man. He's going to make my stories either look. I don't know. I feel like Mance is a good driver. I feel like he has a lot of stories where he avoided accidents. So I will see you guys next week or Friday. Peace out, everybody.